And the White House says President Biden and Mrs. Biden, Dr. Biden, will tour fire-devastated areas of Hawaii on Monday. The death toll has climbed into triple digits and is expected to spike further once crews reach more remote areas. Meanwhile, thousands of people who evacuated from those fires are figuring out what's next. You're seeing footage from Lahaina residents who were able to evacuate during the fires. Many homes in the community have been completely leveled. One couple that was forced to make a dramatic escape fled Lahaina, leaving behind everything as flames engulfed their home, including the nursery they had prepared for the child that they expect any day now. And Kevin Campbell and Tasha Anderson join us now. It's good to see both of you and the sweet touches that you were actually giving Tasha. Kevin, you were rubbing her back in the break there. So Kevin, let's just start off with you, because storms are common in your area. When did you know that this was different?
So I woke up that morning at 4 a.m. and I just wanted to check on all the boat yards and the boats in the harbor and see if I could help with anything. There was a lot of messes already. Anything that wasn't tied down was getting blown around. And that's kind of when I knew it might be a worse storm than what we had expected as far as wind goes. So I'd been, cleaning up messes and trying to get ready for the storm around that time. So we just prepared to hunker down with our friends and family. We got a big generator and stuff as soon as we could to save our food and maybe try to watch a movie and hide out with everybody. And so I would just say, just as soon as I woke up that morning, the winds were heavier than what I've used to seeing, even for other big storms.
And Tasha, you're 8 months pregnant. How difficult has that made this last week for you?
Yeah, it's definitely been difficult. We actually went to the doctor. I'm 38 weeks this week. So we went to the doctor last week and he said, just based on the stress and everything, he feels like baby might be coming earlier. So really our first priority was finding a home that we could bring him back from the hospital to, which we have thankfully been able to secure just for the next 6 months. So it's been, every day is a little different. Every day is a little wavy. I have these huge waves of gratitude for everyone in our community that's come together to make it possible for us to stay here on Maui. And then there's also waves of extreme sadness and devastation for everyone who didn't make it out and don't have a home to go to.
Oh, well, I can't imagine what you guys are going through. Can you talk to us about what that experience was like as you were protecting your little guy and trying to make it out of Lahaina and seeing the destruction that was all around you?
I was pretty adamant about not leaving, honestly. I was like, this is our home. This is where we built our home and our nursery. Everything was there. If it weren't for Kevin, we probably wouldn't have left. He definitely made that call for the both of us, for all of us.
I mean, we would have had to run at some point. I just made the call a little earlier. I took my scooter for a ride to go try and check on the fire that we were starting to see smoke from, just to see if we were going to be able to get away or if it made sense to stay. This is a dangerous time to be on the roads when you have trees coming down. It's a concern even just to drive anywhere. I didn't want to put Tasha in danger doing that, and there was stopped traffic. But when I got to the highway and could look down the road and see the flames and how fast the fire was moving, I came back to the house in a panic and tried to get the people that I could get to get in the cars with us to go and grab. We didn't grab anything extra. It was like I felt like we couldn't leave fast enough. It was really, really scary. If you saw the smoke, and you didn't run right then with the winds traveling that fast, it was going to get to you at a speed where you couldn't walk away or run away from it.
I know what it's like when you're preparing for a child, and you mentioned, Tasha, having that nursery and putting all those things together. And Kevin, as you just said, you left without bringing those things. Do you have what you need to bring your little guy home from the hospital?
Yes, we have been so blessed with the community. Upcountry, one of Kevin's friends from high school,
Johanna,
she lived up country, so we were able to stay with her, and she kind of rallied all of her mom friends to get us everything that we need. I mean, you know, it's kind of funny putting together a nursery and being like, whew, I'm done, and then doing it all over again. So it's been difficult, but definitely more than anything, we're just grateful that we have this community that's pulled together for everybody.
Well, we are wishing you all the very best. Kevin Campbell, Tasha Anderson, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.